All right, so the next thing we want to show you guys is how to use the areas function in D3M to manage some larger and more complex networks. So I've got a large network here, and I mean, one of the good things about D3M is that it does have an unlimited canvas, but you know, when you start to get a large diagram like this, it becomes harder and harder to navigate. So we find that areas is really useful to help break up the diagram, keep it more manageable, but also keep you organized. So we've got three distinct areas here, and we're going to use the areas function to show you how it works. So we'll come up here to the top, hit that areas button, and click on this orange create area button. You simply select the area, and it's created. You'll notice that a box is created around these, the GPS client and the dispatch console. And I can click area up here at the top and rename that. So we'll call that HQ. It's the headquarters. If we move a bit further over here, we'll area this section as well. So we'll do the same thing as before. Select this. We'll say that this maybe is site number 1. So site 1. This is Ottawa. And then scroll a bit further down, and we'll do the same thing for this area. So this is site number 2. We'll say that this is Montreal. So we'll go like that. So now, if I want to quickly get to any one of these areas, I can click that area button up at the top, hit HQ, for example, and it'll zoom me right into HQ, so I can see exactly what's happening there. You can do the same for the other sites. It's really easy to navigate back and forth. Of course, you can always come up here to the top and hit this fit button, and you'll be able to see everything that's in your diagram again. But it doesn't only work for the diagram page, the area function. You can also use it in fleet maps up here at the top. So if we hit fleet map here, we'll jump over and we'll be able to see all of the different components of the radio network. Now, as you can see on the left-hand side, there's a lot of stuff here. So let's just say that someone's only interested in the couple of pieces that are involved at headquarters. They're having some sort of issue there, not at any of the other distant sites like Ottawa or Montreal. So we can hit filter here at the bottom, and I can filter this fleet map to only include the pieces of hardware that are at headquarters. So that's the dispatch console, the GPS clients, and the switch. So it just makes it really easy to kind of manage your fleet map and diagram when you do have a larger and more complex network. There is another way to use it inside of the document section, but we're going to show you that a bit later. Thanks.